Yamaha Tracer 9. Review Sporty Adventure Tourer for the road. The Yamaha Tracer 9 is the latest version of the firm's popular Tracer 900 model, but now it has received an energizing shot from the rasping attributes of the 2021 MT-09. Yamaha's Tracer 9 and the enticing upgraded Tracer 9 GT, just £2,000 extra with a range of super value additions, have cannibalized the 889 cubic centimeters 117 brake horsepower CP3 triple, the chassis, and the agreeable ergonomics to form another thoroughbred option in an increasingly crowded segment of the market. We swapped between both bikes for more than 130 miles in the wine country of Catalunya and for what felt like a never-ending route of corners and curves. Does the Tracer 9 earn its spurs as the leader of Yamaha's grandiose Roads of Life campaign? The turning prowess and power of the MT-09 with added comfort, less vibration and a range of add-ons with the GT make the Tracer 9 a motorcycle that lingers in the mind long after the sidestand has dropped. Ride quality and brakes. A Delta Box chassis with 50% more lateral rigidity comes straight from the MT-09, as do the highly effective and lighter 10-spoke spin-forged wheels, lower Euro effect, and an engine rotated almost 5 degrees more upright in the frame. The front end feels lower thanks to the new KYB forks, and the MT-09 styled fuel tank brings you nicely into a position that is both sporty and instantly controllable. Engine. The CP3 triple is Euro 5 friendly, 2 kilograms lighter than the motor used on the outgoing MT-09 and provides 6% more peak torque, 3% more peak output and 9% more efficiency. That the Japanese have dropped weight, met emissions targets and still found a small elevation in power means the engine is one of the finer technical accomplishments of the Tracer 9. Reliability and build quality. The CP3 engine in the Tracer may have been tweaked for the new version of the bike, but if the old version is anything to go by, there shouldn't be any problems. CP3 engines have been known to see off 100,000 miles without issue. Value versus rivals. The Tracer 9 faces stiff competition from the similarly triple-cylinder engine-powered Triumph Tiger 900 GT and GT Pro. Although the Triumph is more expensive and less powerful than the Yamaha, it's a classy machine with lots of tech and worth considering. The equivalent BMW option, the F900XR, is cheaper than the Yamaha and only slightly down on power despite using a parallel twin engine. Unlike the Triumph, the BMW also uses a sporty 17-inch front wheel for road-focused handling. You might also consider the Kawasaki Versys 1000S, which has a similar power and price to the Yamaha and also has 17-inch front wheel. Equipment. Yamaha have gone more minimal with the sleek design of the Tracer 9. The layered plastics and panels promote better airflow while the rest of the ergonomics add to the impression of balance. However, the company might want to consider a harsh review of the dash department in Iwata. Like the disappointing unit on the MT-09, the Tracer's principal info interface lacks thought. The split 3.5-inch TFT is a sound idea, with trip customization data on the right and tacho and other figures on the left, but the display is set too far forward for taller riders, is hard to see in the sun and is an instant dust trap.